Alright, y'all. I just picked up the stump grinder today. As you notice here, we have got a brand new cutting wheel. We changed from the VCS, which is Vermeer Cutting System, over to the Yellow Jackets. No play whatsoever in there. We had an issue, and they said they were able to tighten some stuff up, and the nut there was not in place. Now it is. Just kind of going over it real quick. Just kind of looking to make sure it's all good. Alright, I'm going to actually start it up, make sure it sounds good, starts good. Alright, here we go. Stops good. They have bolts on here that look like they're torqued, and they got angles on them. Nice. Start it again. Everything sounds good here. Bolts are tight. Alright. Take it on over. Load it up.